What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. Today we have a new camera comparison between the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro and the Nokia X6. This Nokia is also known as the Nokia 6.1 Plus. Now you can find the Redmi Note 6 Pro for about $180, where the Nokia is somewhere around $190 to $200, so very similar prices, and there will be some links in the video's description just in case you want to check any of these phones out. So throughout this video we are going to check out some daytime pictures, we are also going to check out some portrait mode pictures, then we'll move to some nighttime pictures, then we'll check a couple of sample videos, and at the end you can check out some selfies. And I guess we can start with the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. So on the back of this one we have two cameras. The main camera is a 12 megapixel sensor with the f1.9 and the second camera is a 5 megapixel sensor with the f2.0. And we are moving on to the Nokia X6. On the back of this one we have two cameras as well. The main camera is a 16 megapixel sensor with the f2.0 and the second camera is a 5 megapixel sensor with the f2.4, and unfortunately neither device has optical image stabilization. So we're gonna start with the daytime pictures. Well, for daytime pictures I can't really say that one phone is so much better than the other phone, and I feel that it all comes down to your personal preference. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you prefer the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro or the Nokia X6. The first thing I notice is the fact that the Note 6 Pro is using warmer colors, so all the pictures look a bit warmer. So if you're looking for the phone that takes pictures closer to reality, I feel that the Nokia X6 does a better job in some situations. And I'm saying in some situations because the color of the sky for the pictures taken by the Nokia X6, well, they don't look anything close to reality. So overall I still feel that the Note 6 Pro does a better job for the color accuracy, even though it's using warmer colors. For dynamic range, I feel that the Nokia X6 does a somewhat better job in some situations, but unfortunately the pictures taken by the X6 are not consistent, so you don't know how the picture is gonna turn out, where with the Redmi Note 6 Pro you have a bit more confidence that the pictures will turn out okay. So the highlights are overblown in some pictures taken by the Nokia X6. So overall I feel that the Note 6 Pro does a better job for dynamic range for most situations. And lastly, for picture sharpness, I feel that the Nokia X6 is somewhat better, because if you start zooming in on those pictures, you're going to notice that most pictures taken by the Nokia X6 are a bit sharper, but that may have to do with the fact that we have a 16 megapixel sensor versus a 12 megapixel sensor that we have on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. So I'll let you guys watch a few more pictures so you can make up your own mind and decide which camera is better. And we're moving on to nighttime pictures. Well, for nighttime pictures, neither phone is perfect, but I feel that the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro does a better job because the pictures are a bit brighter and they're also sharper. Well, actually much sharper, because if you start zooming in on those pictures, you're definitely gonna notice that the pictures taken by the Note 6 Pro are better and sharper. So let's check out some nighttime pictures that I took with these two devices. Moving on to video recordings, well, here I find that the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro does a better job with the image stabilization, the video sharpness, but the sound quality from the video seems to be better from the Nokia X6. So let's check those out. This is a quick video test between the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro and the Nokia 6.1. This is also known as the Nokia X6. So I'm currently recording in 1080p at 30 frames per second. I also have the image stabilization turned on for both devices. And of course, as you can probably see, I am walking and holding the phones in my hand. So under these conditions, this is how a video recording from these two devices would look like. And lastly, we are gonna check out some selfies. So for daytime selfies, I feel that the Nokia X6 does a better job because the pictures are sharper and dynamic range is better, where for nighttime selfies, I feel that the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro does a somewhat better job. But realistically, for nighttime selfies, neither device does a really good job. So let's check those out. So there you have it. This was the camera comparison between the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro and the Nokia X6. And me personally, I think I prefer the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro for pretty much everything except for the daytime selfies. But what do you guys think? Which one do you prefer? So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, don't forget to press that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.